Hi everyone, we're here in beautiful, sunny Los Angeles. We are at the Ole Henriksen Spa. Brittany and I took a little field trip down here to visit our friend Vance Soto, who is the owner of the spa. Okay, so I'm not sure if it's just me, and I feel like these are the best facials I've ever had in my entire life, but I always see a celebrity every time I'm in here.
I'll give you the scoop. So we have a strong celebrity following, always have. Katy Perry, Lisa Kudrow, Mark Wahlberg, Ellen. Ellen's been a client for 25 years. Shakira.
What?
You name it. Yeah.
I'm dead.
I mean, the list goes on. But
Completely makes sense because you literally leave any single treatment that you get, you will leave glowing, like you can see it all the way down Sunset
Like
Boulevard.
miles, yeah.
So it makes sense. You can't even hide it with like your big celebrity glasses, like you're just gonna be glowing. So Vance is gonna show you how to get this DIY facial, just in case you're not anywhere near LA, we get it, but you still wanna get this spa experience at home, we got you. All right, so show us what's up. Because it looks like all you have here is a grater, you have a cucumber, what do you do?
yes, okay, so it's really, really simple. You're gonna take your giant cucumber, okay? Keep it chilled, all right? You need a paper towel if you're at home. We use gauze, a plate, and a grater, okay? You're literally just going to grate a bunch of cucumber. I'm greedy, I like to use a lot. We grate it versus chop it because we want to release the active enzymes in the cucumber, and they're 98% water, okay? So after you're done grating, you're just gonna remove the grater, okay? You make a little burrito, press. Do some compresses, boom.
I want it on my face.
Should we take her to the treatment room?
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Now we're in the treatment room. Brett, you lucky dog.
I'm so excited.
So I'll give you this cucumber burrito that you just created.
Burrito.
Put it on.
Okay, so this is one of my favorites. Oh, it's so good.
It
How does it smell?
smells so good.
The thing about the cucumber eye mask that I love is that it really helps with puffiness, it helps with allergies, it's an instant spa treatment, I love it. But after I prep my skin with the lavender compresses and towels, I like to use, I do a double cleanse, I'm greedy again. So I'll mix two cleansers, two Ula cleansers. The Clean Truth Foaming Cleanser I'll mix with Face of Truth Gel Cleanser, okay? I like to mix those two together. And then some of my favorite products after I cleanse is the Cold Plunge Pore Mask. Not only do we love the color, we love the results, but this makes for an amazing Instagram opportunity, let's be honest.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Got
Not only does
gotta
the mask
love that.
awesome, but it photographs
Yes,
really
it
well.
photographs amazing, and the results are outstanding. After our mask, we're gonna go into the facial water, okay? Now,
so good.
It smells amazing.
Yeah.
Also cucumber, and I keep mine in the fridge because I love it cool.
Ooh, good idea. Ooh.
There we go. Ooh, 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 ooh. Now the key to all of this is to take your time because you want to do it right. Give yourself a spa moment at home.
Yeah.
You know, after we pH balance and we tone the skin, we're gonna move into our treatment, okay? Which is True Serum. That's my personal favorite.
So good.
5 different forms of vitamin C. Amazing serum for anti-aging, turn back the clock, illuminate and brighten the skin. After we do True Serum, then we go into our moisturizer, which for me can change. Sometimes I love Nurture Me if it's winter and I need more hydration. However, C-Rush is the bomb, okay?
Oh.
The bomb, and I love that it's a gel. It's a perfect consistency and 24 hours of hydration. Love it. After we do C-Rush, okay, we're gonna go into Banana Bright, okay? So eye cream is a must. I cannot leave the house without eye cream. Not only is it gonna illuminate, color correct, it's also gonna hydrate the skin, and it makes for a perfect canvas for makeup.
I feel like Banana Bright would be the perfect final step after this DIY cucumber facial.
Absolutely, it's the perfect complement to just give you that glowy, hydrated look around the eye region and be ready to face the world.
Okay, so I feel like Brittany's never gonna get up, and like maybe we should go make our own cucumber eye masks.
Let's
what do you
do
think?
it.
That was so fun. Hopefully you guys now know like some of our favorite spa tips and from the spa guy himself. Vance just let me know that he has other DIY secrets that he's gonna share with us later. So we might be back if you're interested in this type of DIY at-home facial.
Yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below if you're interested in seeing more DIY.
Turn on notifications.
Turn it on.
All the things.
All the things.
All the things.
We'll see you
A to
guys
Z.
next time.
Bye.
Bye.